Hello everyone and welcome to this video on contracts of guarantee. In this video, we are going to understand what is a contract of guarantee, why are contracts of guarantee used, the key elements, case laws, and the conclusion. So let us start with understanding what is a contract of guarantee. A contract of guarantee is a legal agreement between three parties, the guarantor, the creditor, and the principal debtor. In a contract of guarantee, the guarantor promises to pay the creditor a debt or fulfill an obligation if the principal debtor fails to do so. Why are contracts of guarantee used? Contracts of guarantee are used in a variety of situations. For example, a lender may require a borrower to get a guarantor for a loan. A landlord may require a tenant to get a guarantor for a lease agreement, or a business may require a guarantor when entering into a contract with another business. Now let us see the key elements of a contract of guarantee. There are four main key elements of a contract of guarantee. First, the guarantor must be legally capable of entering into a contract. This means that they must be of age and of sound mind. Second, the guarantor must be aware of the terms of the guarantee. This includes the amount of the debt or the nature of the obligation that they are guaranteeing. Third, the guarantor must freely consent to the guarantee. This means that they cannot be forced or coerced into entering into a contract. Fourth, the guarantee must be supported by consideration. This means that the guarantor must receive something in exchange for entering into the guarantee, such as a benefit to the principal debtor. Now, what will happen if the principal debtor fails to pay the debt or fulfill the obligation? So, if the principal debtor fails to pay the debt or fulfill the obligation, the creditor can sue the guarantor for the full amount. The guarantor may then be able to recover the money from the principal debtor, but this can be a difficult and time consuming process. Now, let us see some case laws. Bank of India versus Steel Strips and Tubes Limited. In this case, the Supreme Court of India held that a guarantor is entitled to the benefit of the rule of pari passu distribution. This means that if there are multiple guarantors for the same debt, the creditor must distribute the proceeds of any recovery equally among the guarantors. Rajendra Kumar Bajoria versus Union of India. This case illustrates the principle of continuing guarantee. The court held that a guarantor's liability continues even if the principal contract is altered, as long as the alteration is not to the disadvantage of the guarantor. Moving forward to the conclusion, contracts of guarantee can be a useful tool for protecting creditors and ensuring that debts are paid and obligations are fulfilled. However, it is important to understand the legal implications of a contract of guarantee before entering into one. If you are considering to becoming a guarantor, it is important to have an attorney review the contract and advise you on your rights and obligations. Thank you for watching.